Hello again, this is the Craps Coach and welcome to my YouTube channel. As always, we thank you for joining in and make sure you like and subscribe so you get alerted to the latest updates. A little bit of different video today. As you can see, I've got a picture of a cruise ship. I went on a cruise recently on Virgin Voyages, adults only, super fun. And they do have casino games there. They have craps and roulette. I was not allowed to film in the gaming table area, so you'll see none of that. But I did partake in a slot tournament as part of it. So you're going to see the results of the slot tournament that I was a part of. And as you can see, watch the videos and you can see how well I did. They did 2 rounds. First round, just get as much points as you can. And then after everyone has done the first round, they take the top 8 finishers for the money round. They ran it much like a poker tournament, meaning the number one person would get the largest pot of, or largest percentage of the pot. And the second place and third place would split the remaining. So thanks for joining in today. Go ahead, give it a watch. Quite fun. I will say this about the craps table. Much shorter than a casino table. So I put the table length at about 10 feet, which makes it super ideal for throwing and a controlled thrower. So here we go. Let's see how this works out.
Last 30 seconds, guys, last 30
All right, now into the money round.
5, 4, 3,
the photo finish again. I was able to move up from third place into second, winning $172. So super fun way to spend some time while on a cruise. So certainly a different video. Again, I want to thank you for joining in today. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you got a comment, go ahead, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.